Do this to create a new material in Revit. Step 1. Click the Manage tab. Step 2. Click on Materials at the top left. Step 3. Click the ball plus icon at the bottom of the Materials dialog. Step 4. Select Create New Material from the drop-down. Step 5. Rename the material under the Identity tab. Step 6. Tick Use Render Appearance under the Graphics tab. Step 7. Adjust the color under the Appearance tab. Then click OK. Material properties will be covered in the next video. Click Apply. Click OK. Done.